Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get 20% off Filmora 10 video editor with my discount coupon code on my website. So my website is jackydeals.com. So there are two ways you can get the discount coupon code. The first way, go to jackydeals.com and find Filmora 10 discount coupon code on my website. And the second way, you can just go ahead to the link I put in the description below to go directly to the post that I published on my website. I will show you right now. Okay, so here is the Filmora 10 perpetual plan. So you need to pay $69.99 and you get all the feature and no watermark and free technical support or whatever. So this is the price around $70. But on my website you don't need to pay 70, only $55.96. Okay, so this is the price. Let's close. And so the first way, easier way, you go to the video description below. So you see the video description here and you click on this show more button, right? And here you have everything about the discount. I write down everything about the discount, and also here you see that get 20% off Filmora 10 video editor for Windows. So if you are on Windows, you can get this coupon. Let's right click and select open a new tab. Okay, and this is for Mac OS. Also right click and open new Windows. Okay, and here is a post. So you see here is 20% off Filmora 10 discount coupon codes for Windows. Okay, and you see here some instruction. I write down some instruction here, and if you click here, this is a code and this is a link, and also my contact information. If you have any question or just something to ask, you can send me an email or chat with me on social media. Okay, so how to activate the code? The first thing, you need to copy. So click on this button, copy the code, and then click on this buy now button. Remember to click on this buy now button to activate my link. Otherwise it will not work if you go directly to Wondershare online store and you want to paste the code. It will not work. Okay, so that is the first thing you need to remember. The second thing, you can also here copy the code here. Also you can highlight and then click copy, and then you click on this link and go to the order page. So it's the same. Okay, and I will click on this buy now button. Also I click on copy the code and then go to click on this buy now button. Okay, so here is the order page of Wondershare. You need to check this box. I have a discount coupon. Okay, check the box and then you can paste the coupon right here. You can press Ctrl V to paste the coupon. Then you click on this button, refresh button, to see the discount. Okay, yeah, let's click on that, and now you see here the discount is $14 and the new price is $55.99. And now you can fill in your billing information. And here you have the payment option. You can pay by Visa card or PayPal or American Express or whatever you like. Okay, and when you finish, you can click continue to check out. Okay, that's how you get the discount. And here for Mac OS is the same. You can also copy the code here and then click on this buy now button. Okay, go to the same page and you see here the discount is not applied for the Mac OS yet. You can have to check this box and then Ctrl V to press the discount, to paste the code and see the discount, right? But no one buy Windows and Mac OS license at the same time. And when you finish your order, Wondershare will send you two emails. One is the order confirmation. It includes the information about order, which version you buy, and how much money you pay. And the second email, they will send you your order information and also how to activate your account and how to reset your password or something like that, and where to download the software. So that's very easy, right? Okay, so I hope it's clear for you. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. I can reply you in minute. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.